You ready?
Yeah, maybe I'll shave off your head, all your hair.
Oh my god, no!
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do something crazy.
I would look
We're gonna
horrible.
make a new
Oh,
you.
good.
We're gonna have fun creating.
What's up everyone? Welcome to another video. आप लोगों ने काफ़ी डिमांड की थी कि भाई केटलिन हमारे बाल काटे लास्ट व्लॉग में, तो फाइनली हियर इट इज. एंड केटलिन आज फ्राइडे नाइट है. फ्राइडे नाइट को यूजुअली हम लोग यू वर सेइंग हाई टू देम.
Yeah, I mean the camera was at me. I was like, hi, because you didn't introduce me. Usually say.
You wanna say hi? Yeah. तो फ्राइडे नाइट को हम लोग यूजुअली फैमिली, केटलिन की मम्मी भी यहाँ पे है. केटलिन की मॉम, यू वांट टू से हाय?
Hi.
यूजुअली हम लोग फ्राइडे को मिलते हैं, खाना बनाते हैं, मूवी देखते हैं. बट आज today we are not going to watch movie. Today we are going to watch. We're gonna make a movie. खाने में है watermelon, salad and burger. Today, not kind of healthy, kind of not healthy.
Kind of healthy.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Yeah. Like इंडिया में जो मसाला डोसा बनता है ना, वैसा फीलिंग है. So we just flipped some burger on this, and usually if you don't clean it, then the oil or butter, whatever you use, will stick on it. So you just want to wipe it out before you do the cleaning. This is not the actual cleaning. In Gujarati, there is a saying. They say that log je family hase ena ghar vase, meaning the family who laughs together stays stronger together.
Well, that's us. We're the strongest. We're the strongest.
We laugh a lot.
We love too. Yeah, we love to laugh.
Alright, we're gonna finish our dinner and then.
And we're gonna hustle.
Bala.
Yeah. Shaitan ka sala.
Bala. That's the only.
Okay, so the plan is that my hair is super long and thick, so I'm gonna take a shower, like not really shower, but like just wet my hair a little bit so that it's nice and ready for Kaitlyn to chop it. I'm ready.
Hi.
We didn't even watch the video.
All right.
That's okay.
All right.
Alright, you guys ready?
Who is that handsome boy?
He's so handsome. Look at that Indian.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Bala.
Who is
Bala.
it? Oh my gosh.
I was thinking we should do it like outside in the backyard. What's that?
My mom brought this. She's awesome. Look at all these comb varieties.
Oh,
So many
that's
to
so
choose
cool.
from. And then she also brought scissors, because I said that we're not going to let you cut your hair unless they're actual hair scissors. Little clips to pull back your hair. There's also more combs, just in case it wasn't enough. So, yeah.
Full tayari.
What does that mean?
Full tayari means full preparation.
Full terari, pera?
Tayari.
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 What is the sound? Tayari?
Tayari.
Tayari.
Ri. Tayari.
We don't have the sound in English.
Full tayari.
Full
You ready?
Yeah, maybe I'll shave off your head, all your hair.
Oh my god, no!
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do something crazy.
I would look
We're gonna
horrible.
make a new
Oh,
you.
good.
We're gonna have fun creating.
Okay.
Design
Yeah,
this.
masterpiece.
Let's put the table.
You know what? his new hairstyle to be the in thing.
The Yudi look.
Yeah, the Yudi look.
No one else will have it.
That's right.
Yeah,
Only
because
you.
I will have no hair on me.
Well, possibly, but
We
you know,
can't promise anything.
but as-
We're not professionals.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, we're innocent, and hair always grows.
Okay, अब ये कैमरा इधर मैं बैठूंगा. अब ये लोग का काम.
You ready for your haircut?
Drum roll, please.
Be fancy.
Oh, thank you.
Can I get you water, sir? Tea or anything?
Wine.
Wine?
I think I'm
This is a fancy salon.
So let me explain like what I want.
Oh,
Oh, you
I
already
thought she
did
was
like.
going to surprise you.
So no, like no, I don't want the surprise. So I think I'm gonna keep the length over here like this.
Yeah.
I don't want to chop. I want you to chop this,
Okay.
but I want this part, and then this part, like the side of
This
it.
even do up all the way up here?
I mean, yeah, like it'll just go on its own. But like all this curly part is what I want to first get rid of.
Oh, okay. I see
Want to
what you're
like
saying.
kind of like.
She just said that remember me, I can't leave her because of bad haircut. I will never leave you,
Never.
even if you make me bald.
Wow, that's beautiful. That's love.
That's
That's
love.
love.
That's love.
That's real
I'll
love.
tell you, that's love.
Tomorrow, a very big news is coming up.
Very exciting news.
We can't. You will find out tomorrow in the vlog, 5 o'clock, IST.
Oh, how nice. Boy, look at that.
Yeah.
She doesn't do that for any other client but you.
Yeah, no other client gets
I'm
this
the
treatment.
first client. What
Well,
are you talking
Well, don't go into
Yeah,
specific. Hey, watch it. Don't
wanna know.
ruin my client base already have.
Exactly.
I must pretend.
True, the truth came out. आज की ताजा खबर इन्होंने हमसे शादी की है. Breaking news that she married me for my hair.
Not just for your hair, but one of the reasons was your hair.
And you got that beautiful, thick, gorgeous Indian hair. It's like waves and jet black. It's
I have to put the flowers.
censored. You're gonna have a new look, a look that everybody's gonna want. I really think the Yudi look, everybody's going
It's
to
gonna be a
want.
trend now.
It's gonna be a trend.
People
You know,
are
'cause
gonna.
there's certain styles.
Would you
that are-
want them as your hairdresser? Comment below.
We're really fun.
Yeah.
How is it looking so far? Huh?
I've only done this side, so don't judge this side.
Yeah, we're working on the other.
So are we ready? Are we
I
done?
think so.
Yeah, maybe just this little, like there's a little bit of hair going into his ear.
Okay, you can trim. Beautiful.
right.
Okay, you want to take the clips
Let's
out?
take the clips. Final reveal.
Final reveal.
You want it to be the clip holder?
I think they can't see because it's too dark, and my hair is also dark, but
Oh, nice, nice.
look at
Oh yeah, yeah.
that.
Let's go inside and show them.
Yeah. But let's clean.
Wow,
we'll,
it looks so nice.
clean up and then.
Yes!
Yeah.
Yes! I'm so proud of us, Mom.
Yeah. High five. Yeah.
Yeah.
वो लोग पार्टी बना रहे हैं.
We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it.
आपको दिखा दो hairstyle. Good job, you girls. Very good job.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
We'll show you guys.
Come back again.
Light ambience for the haircut.
Ambiance.
Look at that. So cool. So this is the first time I'm gonna look it in the mirror and see. Oh wow! Look at that. That is pretty good job.
For first time.
Yeah.
Right.
So what do you think?
I like it. I like it.
Yay!
Yay!
Lexi will be very proud of you.
Yeah.
Lexi is our hairdresser.
This is all your hair.
This is where we will end the video. Thank you guys for my beautiful hairstyle. Let me know what you guys think of the hairstyle. I like it. That's more important.
That's very
Yeah, that's the
important.
most important thing.
It's your
Yep.
hair. You
Yep.
gotta live with it.
Yes. I mean, it'll grow in 2 weeks, but
And it kind of looks like when you were showing me like Hrithik Roshan
From
the
War.
picture.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
does look similar to that.
Yeah, I showed her yesterday that the Hrithik Roshan from that war movie.
You should pop up the picture here.
Yeah, so it's similar to that what I was thinking, and I think it's pretty very close to that. Good job, Mom. I will, and don't forget tomorrow is the big news.
So exciting.
So exciting.
I will see you guys in the next one. Until then,
Keep smiling.
Keep hustling.
gotta hustle.
Every single day.
Yeah!
Every single
Every single day, you got